Hello everybody, it's Yugan again from Premier Auto Services, and today I want to speak to you about a dual mass flywheel clutch system in one of our customers' vehicles. So here we have a Nissan X-Trail from the Rib and Bry shop, and our customer had this vehicle repaired by a non-accredited aftermarket service center, and the individuals there replaced the clutch and dual mass flywheel. And what had happened was that they had charged the customer for replacing it, but in actual fact they had skimmed the dual mass flywheel and had replaced the clutch kit completely. So what had happened is that you found that the clutch started to wear abnormally after a short while, and from a very expensive repair the customer now has to redo the entire repair. So when the vehicle came into us, we had the vehicle stripped, and this is what we found in the vehicle. Maurice,
Yes.
how's the 12 viewers?
How's it on you?
Okay.
Okay,
Tell us what you found here.
What happened was the customer had a clutch done previously by some other unaccredited workshop, and the clutch lasted not even 15,000 k's.
Okay.
So now he's brought it to us because he's obviously worried that he may have been ripped off or anything else in that matter. What I found upon stripping is the dual mass flywheel, which is essentially the damper for the
explain
clutch.
to us quickly what are the parts here.
This is the dual mass flywheel here.
Okay.
Obviously your clutch kit bolt onto that,
Okay.
which is obviously bolted to the motor.
Okay.
So when you're using your clutch, this is what transfers the force of the motor to the gearbox.
Okay.
Then obviously your clutch kit, your clutch plate, and your pressure plate, which is the part that releases when you push your clutch pedal.
Okay. So that is the new components, and this is the components that came out of the vehicle.
Came off the vehicle.
Okay.
What I found when I stripped the vehicle is the dual mass flywheel is not a serviceable unit in the sense of you can't machine it, you can't overhaul it.
Can't skim it.
Can't skim it either, machine it. What they've done is they've machined the surface of it, but now they've stepped it.
So we see these machine marks here, so that's actually being skimmed. Eh?
So what's happened is now they skimmed the center section where the clutch plate runs deeper than the outer section where the pressure plate actually bolts onto.
Okay.
So in effect there wasn't enough clamping pressure on the clutch plate, which led to the clutch plate failing prematurely.
Okay, so what would happen in this type of scenario if the customer was driving? Explain to us when they're driving what they'd feel.
The clutch will start slipping.
Clutch will start
Basically,
slipping.
They'll accelerate, they'll hear the engine rest pick up, but they wouldn't increase speed.
So the car wouldn't be moving faster. Okay. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Nissan X-Trail repaired by an aftermarket unaccredited service center, and this is the problem that was created on the vehicle. Maurice, roughly what would this cost more or less to repair?
With a new flower everywhere, a job like this,
20,000 rands?
plus minus, depending what make clutches you use.
Okay. So this is a 20,000 rand repair that the customer would have probably paid a few months ago, and it's probably going to pay now using genuine OEM parts on this particular vehicle, and that's going to be a duplicated cost. So in a short space of time, the customer has now paid 40,000 rands to have this clutch kit fitted to the vehicle. That's
Unnecessary.
unnecessary. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Come to Premier Auto Services, and we will ensure that our master technicians will fit genuine OEM parts or top quality aftermarket parts to your car, where we offer warranties on all our repairs and our workmanship. So this is it. There's no other alternative but us. Yugan at Premier Auto Services. Call us again, guys.